Assalamu alaikum class 3. How are you? This is your teacher Miss Maheen and it is your language class. Okay. So class 3, today we are going to start our new chapter, Life in the Open. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to skip lesson 1, lesson 2, but we are starting this chapter with lesson number 3, reading. Okay. You will solve these exercises which I am going to tell you. Okay. So first read the instructions very carefully. Where do these animals and birds live? Write the headings above the right section. Okay. There are the description of some places and we will get to know that which type of places are these. Okay. Mountains, lake, grassland, desert. Okay. The camel can carry heavy loads for many weeks. It is found in dry countries, especially in deserts. It can go for many days without food or water. It has wide feet that do not sink into the sand and eyelashes that stop the sand getting in its eyes. When it eats a lot, the hump on its back gets bigger. And when there is nothing to eat, the hump gets smaller. Okay. So this description is about a camel and where the camel lives. The camel lives in deserts. Okay. Because deserts are very dry places and the deserts have sand in them. Okay. So how the camel survives in desert, it is written here. Okay. The yak also carries things for humans. It can carry less than a camel. It lives high up in the mountains where the weather can be very cold. It has narrow, hard hooves for walking along the mountain parts. The yak has a coat of long, thick hair to keep it warm in winter. Farmers milk their yak every day. They use the milk to make butter and cheese. Okay. So this paragraph is about a yak and what are the specifications of a yak and where he lives. He lives on the mountain, high up in the mountains where the weather is very cold. Okay. Now complete 2 is it's A, B, C. The duck is a water bird. It can fly, walk on land, swim and dive underwater. It uses its wide beak to dig for worms in the mud and also to eat underwater grasses. It has short wings. It has webbed feet for swimming. Okay. So these are the description of a duck. Where duck lives? Duck lives in lake. Okay. It has short wings and webbed feet. Webbed feet means you can see the feet of the duck. It just like a web of the spider. These type of feet helps them to swim. Okay. Now D. The vulture is a bird that eats dead animals. Okay. It makes its nest on cliff and flies over the grasslands to look for food. It has very long wings. It uses its claws and sharp beaks to pull away pieces of meat from dead animals. So this is the description of a vulture, and where a vulture lives, it lives in the grassland. Okay. So you will do this. Now to complete the sentences with the word from the text. Both yak and camel carry dash on their backs. Okay. You will read the both paragraphs of camel and yak and you will know that what camel and yak carry on their back. A dash can walk a long way without any water. Okay. Farmer make dash and dash from the milk of yak. A duck has dash feet for swimming. A duck eats dash and grass but a vulture eats dash. A vulture pulls meat into pieces with its dash and its dash. Okay, you will fill these blanks by reading the paragraphs of these animals. Okay, now 3, complete the comparisons. A dash has a smaller, harder feet than a camel. Which animal has smaller and harder feet than a camel? Okay, the dash of a yak is longer than the dash of a camel. Okay, a vulture has long dash than duck. What vulture has longer than duck? A vulture's dash is sharpened than a duck. Okay, the dash is colder in the mountain than in the desert. A camel's dash gets smaller when there is not enough food. Okay, now 4, read the description and circle the correct words and the phrases. Okay, deserts are wet or dry places. Deserts are wet or dry places? Dry places. So you will circle dry places where a lot of or very little rain falls, because deserts are dry places, so there is not a lot of rain, there is very little rain falls. Okay, there are very many or few plants, or hundreds of or no trees. Okay, you will circle it by yourself. Some deserts are very hot or cold during the day and very hot or cold at night. Some deserts are very hot during the day and very cold at night. Okay, there are many or few big animals in the desert, because there is so much or little food. Snakes lives in hole during the daytime or the night time and come out at night time when it is cooler. Okay, so this is your book work. These all are your book work, but this 5 is your copy work. Okay, you will do this in the copy. What is it? Write a description of the mountains. Use the guide words and phrases. Okay, these are the words you will use it. You have to write a description of the mountains by yourself, and you can take help from these words. Okay, now with that, your syllabus of English language has been completed. I hope you have understood it very well. You will do this by yourself. I hope you can do this. I will meet you next time with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.